Assalamualaikum, brothers and sisters.
Salam, sir.
Are we all ready? Shall we? Can we start now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we should start now. One more time. Assalamualaikum, brothers and sisters. Let's start our day with the recitation of Ummul Kitab Al-Fatihah. A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Arrahmanirrahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Okay, as usual, let's start our day with the recitation of dua led by Ustaz Yunus. Tafadhal Ustaz.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Hamdan hamidin hamdan syakirin hamdan yuafi ni'amahu yukafi mazidah. Ya Rabbana lakal hamdu kama yanbaghi li jalali wajhikal karim wa azim sultanik. Allahumma aftah alaina hikmatika wa syur alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Allahumma nawwir bil kitabi absarana wa shrah bihi sudurana wa sakhih bihi abnanana wa atliq bihi alsinatina wa qawi bihi jinanina وأسرع به فهمنا وقوي به عزائمنا بحولك وقوتك فإنه لا حول ولا قوة إلا بك يا أرحم الراحمين اللهم استودعناك ما علمتناه فاردده إلينا عند حاجتنا إليه ولا تنسناه يا رب العالمين وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وبارك وسلم والحمد لله رب العالمين.
Amin ya rabbal alamin. Shukran Ustaz. Okay, today we are going to have a little bit of fun. Project scheduling. What do we remember on project scheduling? We remember CPM and the other one, PERT. Yeah, CPM for what you call it deterministic model or deterministic technique, and PERT is probabilistic method or probabilistic technique. Okay, let's have a go on this one. A project involving the installation of computer system consists of the following 8 activities. The following table lists immediate predecessors and activity time. Okay, looking at this table, looking at the table, what can you see? CPM or PERT? CPM or PERT? Look at the activity time. There's only one activity time. So that means it is deterministic technique. That means 1. So we are going to use CPM. So the question here, draw a project network. What are the critical activities? And then what is the expected project completion time? Draw a network. Then after that, determine the critical activities. Then how to know how to do critical activities? Okay, we use the node later. What is the expected project completion time? Okay, let me compress this on the next slide. Let's do together. So I compress the schedule. This is more important to us. What should we do? How to draw? Okay. What are the things to do first?
Start first.
Start.
And then
Okay, start. Okay, let's do start. If it is normal class, I let you do. I just go around. This time, I think we have to do together. Okay, we do start. Let me do down here. Start. And then I think we do the boxes right away. You can do circle, but when you want to calculate the early start, early finish to determine the critical activities, you have to do the boxes. Remember that box?
Yes, sir. Just
Yes.
4 box.
Yeah.
To
How
check
many
box.
things inside there? 6 items, right? 6
Yes,
items. Okay. So start. What are the first activity here?
A.
A. I think you also do together in your own paper. Then B. Now a little bit slow to do this. So A. The next one B. After that C is after A.
Yes.
C
after
is
A.
after A. So here C is after A. C. And then
B
B.
and C combine.
So B and C.
D.
D
Yes.
is after B
D.
and C.
Yes.
So
Yes.
D after B and C. Let me put somewhere here. I need the space, so I try to save as much space as possible. So what's that? D, is it? D is after C and
B.
after B. Then what do we have after that?
E after D.
After D. Okay. Either continue or just go up a little bit. Not so nice, my box. What is this? E, right? E.
Yes.
E is after D. Then
Then
F.
G is after B and sorry.
F.
is
F is
F.
after E.
D. Sorry, E.
E.
F is after E. I do very close here. Like running out of space in front. Okay. So this is F. And then G. G is after
B and C.
B and C. Where to put G? Let me put down here.
Under D. Yeah.
Let me put underneath here. So this is G after B.
E and
C.
C.
After B and after C. And then
H is after F and G.
Then H. Where do you like? Up or slightly below
Under,
here?
yeah, slightly below.
Okay. This is. I hope I have enough space to write the numbers. So H. H is after
F and
F.
G.
F. No. And after G. Then any more?
Then.
No more, right? So
Yes.
no more. We end to finish.
Yes.
Finish. Okay. Now you answer question 1. Question A, draw the project network. We are done with that. So now let's answer B. How to answer B? Remember early start, early finish? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So early finish equals to early
Plus
start
time.
plus T.
Yeah.
Then late start equal to
Finish
late
minus
finish minus T. Okay, let's put the activity time here. A is 3, B 6, activity duration, our activity time. C is 2, D 5, E 4, F 3, G 9, H 3. Okay, let's do what we call, what do you call? You move forward. You do forward pass. Okay, forward pass. Forward pass, what do we look at? We are looking at early start, early finish.
Yeah.
Okay, early start, early finish, and then finish it out. You don't try to fill everything in one go. Not, you don't try to finish filling all the 4 boxes. So just worry about the top one, the early start, early finish. Okay, early start, let's say we start at time 0. Now we know the formula, early start plus activity time T. Early start 0 plus activity time T.
3.
3.
3. Okay, you are there. So we put 3. Then B also start at time 0. Early finish
6.
6. Okay. This one C
3.
3.
3.
5.
3.
5.
5. Then D
6.
6. How do you know 6?
We
Take
take
from
the
Maximum.
maximum.
Maximum. We have 2 predecessors. They have 2 predecessors. We take the greater early finish. The greater early finish is 6. Then here is early finish, early start.
11.
Here is 11. And which one do you want to fill up first?
6.
G.
G.
G. G.
Yeah.
G. Which one? 6
E
or
first.
5?
6
Now
6.
sister say. Can I move on G first down here?
Okay,
Since my
yeah. G will also be 6.
6. Then
And
finish
15.
17. 15. Sorry.
15. E. Now let's move to E because we cannot.
15.
E
Sorry,
is
11.
5.
11.
Oh,
And then
sorry.
finish. Early finish.
15.
15. F. Early start.
15.
15.
18.
18. And then H. Have
18.
any peculiarity about
21.
H? Yeah, any peculiarity on H? We have 2 predecessors. Yeah, I know you know,
Yeah.
but we have to be observant. So 18 and 21. Someone say it already. 21. Now we only have one last activity. If we have more than one, now we want to do backward pass. Which one to put here? What number should?
21.
Okay, let me put the dot. the next step is backward. So backward pass. Backward pass. So we use 21. Yeah. Let's say 21 is the latest time. Now, if we have more than one activity here, the last one before finishing, take the greater early finish. If we have more than one, we will have this after the, I think our third question if we have time. Okay, now let's move backward. Backward, what are we looking for? Late start, right? Late start. Late
Yes.
start. And then the rule is late finish minus activity duration, activity time. Late finish minus T. Okay, this one very easy. You are, I think you finish already by now on your own paper. So what number here? Late finish?
18.
Let's start 18. Let's move to F. Late
18.
finish 18. Late start
15.
15. E
15.
15 also. Late start
11.
11.
11. And then D
11.
11.
6.
6. Can we go down? G
Yeah. He has
15.
18.
18. I think you detect something already. Then early start, sorry, late start 9.
9.
Then let me go up here. C late finish
9.
9.
9. 9.
Yes.
Okay, look at C again. C have how many successor?
2.
Two successor. So we have two successors. The late start 6. The other one is 9. Agree?
Yes.
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 So it should
So
be 6.
when we are going backward, which one should we choose? The lower value or the higher value?
Lower one.
The lower
Value.
lower value of late start.
6.
So now
Oh, sorry.
6.
6.
6. Agree, everybody? The rule is when we go
Yes.
backward, and we are on backward pass, when we have more than one predecessor, one successor, like C, we have two successors, D and G. Then the late start, we have 9 here. We want the other one is 6. If more than one, and then choose the lowest. Here, the lowest is 6. 6. Okay, let's put 6. The late finish, 6. Late start,
4. 4.
4. Then can we go to A? Late finish?
Okay. 4.
4. Late
1.
start? 1. And then here, B, late finish.
6.
You also have two successors, right? We have two successors,
Yes.
D and G. So we also choose the lower value, 6. Then
0.
0. Good. Now what? What should we do next?
Calculate the slack.
Calculate the slack. What is the formula for slack? Slack equal to
Late start minus
Late
early
start.
late start minus
early start.
early start. Or another one, late finish
Late finish minus early finish.
minus early finish.
early finish. So let's find the slack here. A, where's the slack?
3.
The first one, 3. 3,
One.
1. So the lower one, the lower box here, what's this?
What? Sorry.
Late start. Late start minus early start. Here, late finish minus early finish, either one. So what number should we put?
1.
1. Yeah, let me find my cursor. Where is my cursor? I lost my cursor. Oh, found it. 1. And then C, where's the slack?
1.
1 also.
1.
D,
0.
0.
0.
E,
Also 0.
0. You can answer me. F,
0.
0. Okay, I
Also
go. Also 0. H, also 0.
0.
And then B, what happened to this?
B is 0.
This one 0 disappeared. So S equals to 0. And
3.
G is
3.
3.
3.
What was the question just now? What are the critical activities? Let's look at the questions. What are the critical
Yes.
activities? No, can we find the critical activities?
Yes. B,
Yes.
D, G,
B, D,
E, F,
G,
H.
E, F, H. Okay, I don't have to circle. I just write somewhere. So start B, D, B, D, E, F, H. Finish. This is F. Finish. So what is this? Start B, D, E, F, H, finish. What do we call this? Critical?
Critical path.
Critical path. Completion time? Is there any question? Completion time? So let's look like.
21.
Where's the expected
Sorry.
completion time? You answer already. Completion time.
21.
21. Completion time. 21 weeks. Not bad, right? So take note, forward pass, backward pass. After that, find slack, and then you find the critical activities. After that, at the end there, you can see the completion time. This is the basic in what do you call project scheduling. So a situation like this, if you are running a project, which one do you have to look after? You have to focus which are the activities that you cannot let your eye off. That means you have to keep an eye every day, the critical activities. So if B delay by 1 week, the whole completion will be delayed. If you want to reduce, we can reduce S1, activity A, we can reduce. And maybe C can be reduced, G also can be reduced. Or you can start a little bit later. If I were to delay, starting for this activity G, when is the best time to start? 9, week 9.
9.
Week 9. That means I don't start right away. I still work week 9. So sometimes there are also situations when we have to, especially in construction, if we are working in if every team is working at one place, so crowded, sometimes we have to delay certain activity so that less crowded, And also the financial resources actually more spread. If you can delay, you can delay. Sometimes it's by choice. We delay. If we know we have some slack, we delay it. Otherwise, we will not. Okay, done with one. Let's try another one. Any question? No. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, so let's do this one. So far, so good. Let's move on to this one. Duff Casey. Duff Casey is in charge of planning and coordinating the coming sales management training program for the company. And he has listed the following information. So these are the activity: planning the topic, obtaining the speakers, list meeting locations, select the location, finalize the speaker, speakers travel plans, make final check with the speakers, prepare mail and brochures, and then take reservations, and then handle last minutes. And let's say this is being labeled A to I, and we are given information about the immediate predecessor here, column number 3. And then the activity duration, this one he give you 3 sets: optimistic activity duration, most probable activity duration, and pessimistic activity durations. Which method are we going to use after this? CPM or PERT? PERT. So we have uncertain activity times or most probable activity times. Okay, let's see what are the questions. Draw project network. Prepare activity schedule. What are the critical activities? And what is the expected completion time? Then I purposely delete this one. D and E is similar questions. If DAF wants 90% confidence to complete on time, how long will be the completion time? Okay, what is the probability of the project to be completed within 16 weeks? What is the probability or likelihood that the project will be delayed more than 17 weeks? Is it okay, or is it possible to delay the commencement of activity E and F? If yes, by how many weeks? Okay, so let's draw the project network. I do not know how do you like it. Draw together like just now, or you draw on your own, but you cannot show me. Or we drew together. Okay, we do together. Draw. Okay, do together. Okay, the first thing we are going to find. Now I reproduce the table. The first thing we have to do, find what? Find T. Remember? Find T. Expected time.
Yes.
Oh, what's the formula? Who have a good memory? I forgot.
A
plus
A
4M
plus 4M plus
B
B. Then divide by 6. 6. And then we have to find the activity variance. No, number 6. Activity variance. What's the formula? B minus A over 6. Then all this square. Okay, let's do it. Let's extend from here. We are going to find activity time, expected time T. Okay, we are going to find expected time T, and then the activity variance here. We need both information. Which one is A? Which one is A? Optimistic or pessimistic?
Optimistic.
Optimistic is the A.
Optimistic.
A. And then pessimistic?
B.
B. B. And then most probable?
M.
M. So we have this information. My handwriting is not good. B. Okay. We're ready for the first activity. Let's find expected time for activity A. A plus 4M plus B. 1.5 plus 4 times 2, 8, 9.5 plus B, 2.5 divided by 6.
2.
Get 2.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
2. So 2. Is it close enough to most probable?
Yes.
Yes, close. So we should be right. Then the second one,
3. 3.
3. Is it close enough to M? Quite close to this one, right? 3 is quite close to 2.5. So we are right. If you have numbers far out, then in the exam, you know that you have to check. And then the next one?
2.
2.
2.
2. Okay. Can somebody do different and 2? And then you have 2. This one? 2 also.
2. Yes.
2.
1 next.
1.
2.
2.
Yes. Yes.
2.
4.
4.
4.
4.
Yeah. 4.
2.
2. Okay. You are done with this one.
Yes.
Let's find the activity variance. The variance for each activity should be just give me 2 decimal place will be sufficient.
0.03.
0.03.
0.03.
16.
Hmm?
16.
Something not right. Check again, brother.
0.44.
0.44.
0.44. Yes.
This one sound right. Two ladies say this, 2 sisters. And then the third one.
0.11. 0.1.
0.11. Okay. Consensus.
0.027 or 0.28.
Can I round it off to 0.3?
0.03. Yes.
We just want to take 2 decimal place, 0.3. This one should be 0 point something also. Any number? Not yet.
0.03 as well.
0.3. 0.03 also. Okay.
0.11.
0.11.
0.44.
0.44.
0.11.
11.
0.03.
03. Okay, we are now ready to answer question 1. What's in question 1? Forgot question 1. draw the project network. Draw the project network. So where to draw? No space. So I go to the next blank space so that I can draw. I recopy this activity, but without the activity durations, so that we can draw the network. Okay, let's draw. We are going to put start, right, brother, sisters? Start
Yes,
first.
start.
Start. Then A.
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 Now I am lazier to draw the box. I do like this. I hope you don't mind.
It's okay, doctor.
No lazier. In exam, if you do like that, I accept.
Okay.
As long as the 6 numbers appear. A, after that,
And B.
B. Oh,
B after A.
B is after
A.
A. B is after A. So now we try to do lazy method. Not lazy per se. Try to be smart. Smarter way of doing it. B. After
C is alone.
C is from start.
C from start. So
Yeah.
C from start. So we do this way also. C. Then after C,
D.
D.
D is after C. Yeah.
D is after C. D is after C. And then
E after B and D.
E is after B.
And D.
Yeah, one by one. If E is, I put here, E is after B and after D,
D.
right?
Yeah.
And then
F is after E.
F is after A. F is after E. Yeah, F here after E. Then
G after B and D.
G is after B and D. So can I put it here so that I can draw after B after D? Because we
Yes.
need B. G is after B and after D. We have two predecessor.
Yes.
And then H.
H is after G.
H is after G. Let me draw like this. G, H is after G. Then I have
I
last.
is after F and H.
This is the last one. Can I put in the middle?
Yes.
Okay. I is after this one. After H and after F. I is the last activity. So you go to
Finish.
finish. And ISH. Okay. We are done with the network. Now I have to look back for the activity duration, or you have in your paper. We can look back here. So remember A, B, C. I cannot remember a lot. 2, 3, 2, 2. A, B, C, D.
A is 2.
2, 3, 2, 2. I will not scroll back. A is 2.
2. B is 3.
3.
Is 3.
C is
C
2, right?
is 2.
2. D is also 2.
D is 2.
Okay, let me scroll. just together. Now we had 2, 3, 2,
E.
2. Now the next one, E is
E
1,
is 1.
1, 2. I try to remember 1, 2, 4, 4, 2. 1, 2, 4, 4, 2. 1, 2, 4, 4, 2. Make sure the sequence is right. E is 1.
1.
E,
F is 2.
2. G is what? 1, 2, 4, 4, 2, right?
4.
4. H was 4.
4.
And then the last one is 2.
2.
Okay, double check. E, F, G, H, I. 1, 2, 4, 4, 2. 1, 2, 4, 4, 2. Happy? Are we happy? If we are happy,
Yeah.
let's do as usual. Do the forward pass. I think you can do on your own. Okay, never mind. Otherwise, I cannot see your work also. I do together. Start 0. Now it should be quick. Early start 0, early finish
2.
2. So we are doing forward pass. B,
2,
early
5.
start
2, 5.
2.
2,
5.
5. And which one do you
0
like?
to
C.
C. 0 to
0, 2.
2.
Then
2,
D,
4. 2, 4.
2, 4. Now E, I don't know
5.
how.
5.
5.
6.
5 or 4. Everybody agree with 5? Yeah, why 5?
5.
Because we have two predecessor. Take the greater value.
5 and 6.
5 and 6.
5.
Now
G, 5 and 9.
G also have two predecessor. Take the greater early finish.
9.
9. Then which one do you want? No, it's already in F. F should be
6, 8.
6, 8. No, next one. H.
9, 13.
9 and 13. No, early start.
13, 15. 13, 15.
Why 13? Because we have two predecessors.
We have two predecessors.
Two predecessors. We take the greater value of the early finish. Then finally
13, 15. 15.
13, 15.
Yeah.
Okay. So we are done with forward pass. Let's do backward. When is the late finish for the whole here in activity
15.
I? 15. 15. Let's move backward. 15 minus 2.
13.
13. No, which one first? F or H?
F.
F.
13, 11.
13. And then 11.
11.
No, which one do you want?
H.
H.
H. 13.
9.
9. I think now you already know where are the critical
G
activities.
is 9.
E is which one do you? Now
E, it's
I'm
11.
at E. E 11.
E,
Okay.
11, 10.
And 10.
10. Now G.
It's 9 and 5.
9, 5.
And 5. Yes. Which one do you want? B. Let's say B.
10. Oh no, 5. 5 and 2.
5
and 2.
5 and 2. And D.
D is 5 and 3.
5 and 3.
5 and 3. Now, can I move back to A?
2. Yes.
2, 0.
2, 0.
2, 0. C.
3, 1.
3, 1.
3 and 1. 3, 1. Oh, really exciting. Now let's find the slack. Where's the
Yes.
slack for here?
0. A0.
0.
A0.
A0. B.
B0.
0. E.
E is 5.
C 1.
5. E.
E5.
C.
5, 5.
E5.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
E is 5.
Now which one? Which one do you want now?
C.
Next one.
C is 1.
C. C
is
is
1.
1. D.
D is 1.
D is 1.
D is 1.
E is 0.
0.
F is 5.
F is 5.
H is 0.
0. I.
I is 0.
0. Okay, before we do anything, let's look back at the questions. Where am I? Prepare an activity schedule. Okay, not yet. What are the critical activities? That means critical path. And what is the expected completion time?
Critical
Yeah.
activities are A,
Start
B,
A, B, G, H, I, F.
H, I.
Finish.
Okay. So the critical, now I am far behind you. So critical path. Start
A, B, G,
A,
H,
B,
I,
G,
G,
A, B,
H,
G, H,
I,
and then finish. Completion time.
Expected is 15 weeks.
15.
Expected completion time. So 15. Okay. What are we doing? We are doing PERT, remember? PERT, Project Evaluation Review Technique, is probabilistic method. So let's find the variance for the project. So the variance, we have to take the sum of the variance of all the critical activities along the critical path. Okay, let's see what did we do just now. So remember A, B, G, H, I. A, B, G, H, I. A, B,
0.03.
A, B,
G,
G,
H,
H, I. So we sum up this activity. 0.3 plus 0.44 plus 0.44 plus 0.11 plus 0.3. What do you get?
1.05.
1.05.
1.05. Okay, let's move back. 1.05. So the variance is 1.05. Now we know the variance, right? The standard deviation. Variance square. So standard deviations.
1.0247.
1.0247. One zero two 0247. Okay. So this is the basic information required. So this is the probable completion time, 15, the variance for all the activity, because A is probable, A is probabilistic, B is probabilistic, C is probabilistic. It can change. H also can change. I also can change. That means it can vary with these standard deviations. The spread, I think you see 1 point. So this is the possible variations, either more or less. So we have, I rewrite here, we have mu. So this 15 is actually mean project completion time, mu 15. And then the variance of the project completion time is, what is it? 1.05.
1.05.
And then the standard deviation of the project completion will be
1.0247.
1.0247. Okay. Let's look back at the questions. What are the critical activities? What is the expected completion time? Already done. Now, if that wants 90% confidence to complete on time, how long will be the completion time? You want to complete 90%. 90%. Okay, I will go back to the screen again. No, I don't have space. Can I use this space? Or maybe I use this space. I can use this space. 90%. What did we say? The project completion time will follow normal distribution, right? Normal distribution. Normal distribution. With mean
15.
15. Then standard. I think the most important we want is standard deviation.
1.0247.
1.0247. Okay, now
Sir,
the
mean
yeah.
is 15.
Oh, my one missing. 15. Thank you. So the next thing is we want to answer these questions. How to answer these questions? 90% completion, 90% confidence.
0.9.
0.9. So we are interested in this area, right?
Yeah.
0.9. Then our tables will start from here to the right. What do we do? Table. Before table, we have to have this Z
score.
X minus mu is 15 over
1.0247.
0.247. So now brother was saying just now, look at the table. Okay, where is Z? We are looking at 0.9. 0.9. Okay, take note. 0.9. 0.9. Where is it? 0.9.
0.9 is...
Where's the nearest? Which one you want?
1.29.
1.29 or 28. Which one is closer? It doesn't matter. 1 point.
I think 28 is closer.
Okay, up to you. So 1.28. Okay, let's move back. 1.28. 1.28. So, huh? Are you okay? 1.28 equals to x minus 15 over 1.0247. Now can we find x?
Yes.
Yes, very easy. Simple mathematics. Okay, what number do you get? Any number?
19.67.
19.
Ah,
Anybody have other number?
16.31.
16.31.
16.
Yes.
16, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So I think 16.3 is all right. Weeks. Make sense?
okay.
Because here at the middle here is 15. And then we are taking to the right. And then we get x equals 16. So it makes sense. If somehow you have a number on the left hand side, that means something not right, because the P is 0.0.90 here. Okay, so we are done with this. Let's have one more. Maybe answer F will do. F. What is the probability for the project to be completed within 16? Oh, we already have 16 here. Can you give any number? Maybe 17. Let me use this number. What is the probability that the project can be completed in or within 17 weeks? Now I modify the questions. Because this 16, you already have 16 here. I think not interesting. Okay, let's play with this. Now, what would be the probability that the project can be completed within 7 weeks? Then only we answer what happened if what is the probability it will be delayed. Just from the same question. So F, I think I remove F.
Can we see the Z table?
Okay. Find the Z value. Where should I write? Z. So the same thing. X
17.
minus 17. X is known.
Minus 15.
This is wrong.
17
So
minus
17 minus 15. Yes, you are right, sister. 17 minus 15. Now I get groggy also. Divide by 1.0247. Okay, find this value first.
1.9.
1.95.
1.95.
Okay, let's look back at the table. 1.9. 1.9. 1.9. This one, 0.886. Is it right?
Huh?
This one.
Where is it?
1.9.
1.9.
0.7.
Eh,
0.974.
1.9. What was the number just now?
5.
1.95.
1.95.
1.95. 1.9.
0.9744.
0.9744. 0.9744. So 0.97. What does it mean? P, probability, complete, within or in 17 weeks. What do you get? 0. I forgot already. 9744, right?
44. Yes.
9744. So this is the probability of completing the project within or in 17 weeks.
17.
Yeah. So now if I were to ask the same questions or similar question, complete more than, that means delay more than 17 weeks. I think you can answer me already.
1 minus 0.
1 so
9744.
1 minus 0.9744. So easy. Where's the probability? Very small, right? 0.0 something. 0.0266. What?
256.
256.
0.0256.
Okay, 0.0256. So the likelihood of delay is very, very small, right?
Yes.
So this is actually answering question 7, question G. What is the likelihood that the project is delayed beyond, that means complete more than 17 weeks? Then the F actually, what is the probability the project completed within, that means in, so, but it's now instead of 16, I change to 17, the same thing. You can try out on your own. Then the last one, is it possible to delay the commencement of activities E and F? E and F.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, possible.
How do you know yes? Where's the table?
Because the slide.
E and F, because the question is by how many weeks? If possible, the question just now say by how many weeks? By how many weeks? If yes, by how many weeks each?
Less than 5 weeks, isn't it?
Yeah, we have here 5. E can be delayed by 5 weeks. F also can be delayed by 5
5
weeks.
Yeah.
Okay, great. We are done very fast. Okay, can we have one more fun? I wish I'm in class and then can be on your own. Okay, which one now? This one. The manager of Oak Hills Swimming Club is is trying to prepare for this swimming team program. The first team practice is scheduled for May. The activities and their immediate predecessors are listed below here. Meet with the board, hire coach, reserve the pool, announce program, meet coach, and then order team suits, register swimmers, collect fees, then plan first practice. These are the activity, let's say A to I, and then the predecessors are listed here. And then we have this optimistic, most probable, pessimistic. What does it mean? Probabilistic, PERT, probabilistic method. Okay, draw a network, develop activity schedule. What are the critical activities and what is the expected completion time? Normal. So what is it possible if the club manager plans to start project February? What is the probability the swimming program will be ready by the schedule May? That means within 13 weeks. Should he start on this date or earlier or later? So if the probability is high, then okay. Otherwise, if probability is small, maybe we have to start earlier than February. Okay. What do we do? Fine.
Calculate the T and
the
variance.
variance.
Calculate T and okay. Now you are expert already. Great. Calculate T. Now you remember the formula. I don't have to write. Calculate. Okay, you can start now. I just copy from you. T and the variance for each activity. You have decimal, you round it off to integer, easier to work on. This is just for exercise.
0.03.
Huh? What are you working on?
T. Variance.
Variance is 0.03. Yes.
0.03. I think you are done with T already. Here, 1 point something. I just want to round it off to the most nearest number. You get 1 here?
1.17.
1.17. I just hide the 17 somewhere. I don't want to use this number. I put 1.17.
6. The
Uh,
T.
6.
6. Yeah. 6,
Okay.
4,
6, 4,
2, 3. It's the same as the most
2,
probable of everyone.
2, 3, 6, 4, 2, 3,
2,
2.
2.
Oh, the same
three.
most one.
Yeah, the same as the most probable.
What a coincidence. Okay. No, this one 0.
0.44.
44.
0.44 again.
Okay, 44. 0.11.
0.11.
0.11
as well.
The same. 1, 1.
11. Oh,
Yes.
so it,
0.11. 0.11.
Last one is 0.
11 also.
The last is 0.
Last one is 0.
0.
Wait. Yeah.
0. Okay. Now let's draw the network. This is more interesting because we have to decide how to finish. Okay, we draw the network. Now you do a smart way. Agree, sister, brothers? Start,
Yes.
and then start A.
A. Yes.
Yes, A.
Start A. Now we do smarter way. A. After that, B is after
A.
After
A.
A.
B is after A.
B and C after A.
B. C also after
C
A.
also after A.
I think I put C upstairs here. C
F
is
also.
F also after A. Okay,
Yeah.
I put downstairs here. F is after A. Then
D is after
D
B
is
and
after B,
C.
C.
E is after B. So E is after B. Somewhere here. Somewhere here.
Yes. Yeah.
After
E
C also.
E. Then C.
D is after B and
Sorry,
C.
D is after B and C.
I think best to write here because we need B and C. So D is after
B and C.
after B and after B after C. Then G.
G is after D.
G is after D.
G is after D. G is after D.
H is after G.
H is after G. Okay, forgive me. I want to erase my line. Oop, what happened? Erase this. What is it? What activity is it?
H. H.
And then
I is after E,
I think
F,
I don't have
E, H, F.
space. I just go down.
Yes.
The most important is the sequence I is after H.
Is of H,
after,
E, and F.
After E. After
And F.
F. So far away. Then this one, I. No more, right?
Finish. Yeah.
Finish. Okay. Can you do you have do you write somewhere, or should I flip back the activity durations? T. Okay, let's look at this. 1, 6, 4.
6, 4.
Okay, I take 4 first. 1, 6, 4, 2.
1,
Okay.
6, 4, 2. 1,
Okay.
6, 4, 2.
1,
1,
6,
6, 4,
8.
2.
Okay, good. You memorize.
1,
So
1 A, 6
1,
B,
6,
4 C,
4, 2.
2 D.
2D. Okay, let's look at it again.
E is 3 and then 2.
3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. Agree?
Yeah.
3,
3,
2, 2, 2,
2,
1.
2, 1.
1. D, E
E is
is
3.
E is
3.
3, G is
E, F.
E, F,
F2.
F is 2,
3, 2,
G2.
2, G is 2,
H2.
H is 2,
I1.
1.
1. Okay. Now what? Forward pass.
Forward pass.
Forward pass. Okay, let's start time 0.
0,
Finish
1.
1. B.
1, 7.
1, 7. Now which one you want? C.
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 1, 5.
1, 5. Everybody following?
F.
Everybody
Yes.
following?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. F.
1, 3.
1,
1, 3.
3. No, what? No, which one?
D.
D. D. Any peculiarity of D?
7.
7. Sorry, 7.
7 or 5?
and 9.
Why 7? We have two
We take
predecessors.
two
Okay.
predecessors.
Okay, 7 and 9.
9.
Okay, sister Sastri say 9. E, can we go to
7.
E?
7 and 10.
7 and 10.
10.
And then which one
9,
you want?
11.
D,
G.
9 and
G,
11.
9 and 11. H,
H, 11,
11,
13.
13.
11 and what?
13.
13.
13.
Yeah.
11,
And
7,
13 and 14.
13 and 14.
Yes, 14.
Okay. Now
Backward pass.
backward pass. So
14, 13.
14, 13.
13. Yes.
Now go to H.
13, 11.
13, 11. Now go to G.
11, 9.
11, 9.
9, 7.
D. 9, 7. Now which
7.
one?
E
Now which
first.
one? E.
E.
E,
E,
13,
13.
6. Sorry, 13, 10.
G 10.
13, 10.
13,
13,
10.
10.
F,
F.
13,
13 also.
13, 12. Sorry, 13, 11.
13, 11. Now which one do you want?
B.
B,
B. B.
7, 1.
7.
7.
7, 1.
7,
1.
1.
7,
3.
3.
3.
Yes.
Okay. 7, 3.
1.
1,
1, 0.
1, 0.
0. Okay. So I
Like
think find the slack. The slack is
0.
0. C.
2.
2.
2.
C, 2. B, 0.
B, 0.
F, 10.
10.
F, 10. D, 0. E, 3. G0,
0,
G0,
H0,
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 F10.
I0,
Already.
I0.
I0, yes.
F is 10,
and
yeah,
then
already
finish.
finished. Okay, critical path.
A,
A,
B, D, G, H, I.
A, B, D, G,
B,
H, I.
Start
G, H, I.
A,
Start
B,
A, B,
D,
D,
G.
G, H, I. Finish. I finish.
Finish. Mean completion time, new
14,
Completion time is 14.
14.
14. Next, you are going to find the variance.
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 A, B, D, G, H, I. Okay, let me move back.
A, B, D, G, H, I.
H, I. A, B,
A, B,
D,
D, G, H, I.
A,
A, B, D, G, H, I.
B,
D,
D,
G,
G, H,
D, G,
I.
H, I.
Okay, so
Okay.
what's the variance? 0.88 plus, sorry, 0.55, 0.558, 69.
0.8, isn't it?
Yes, same, 0.8.
0.8. So 0.8. 0.8. So
Yes.
0.8.
The standard deviation is
0.8. So standard deviation
0.8944.
0.8944. Okay, let's look at the question. This is only one question. So we answer C. Develop activity schedule. Actually, we just prepare a table and then just highlight the critical activities. But in this case, it's okay. We are done this one. So now we want to know, can the project, what's the probability of completing the project in 13 weeks? What's the probability of completing the project in 13 weeks? So P complete in 13 weeks. P complete less than 13 weeks. Okay. What do we do? Find Z. Z 13
13 minus 14
over
over
0.8944.
0.8944. Negative 1.11.
Negative 1.11.
Yeah.
Negative 1.11. So look at Z. Look at the table 1.11.
And then minus 1 minus that probability.
Yeah, okay. Just look at Z 1.11. 1.11. 0.8665. Agree? 1.11.
Yeah.
0.86.
Yes.
0.86. Is it what?
8665.
8665. 0.8665. So 0.8665. Let's try that. 0.8665. But it's negative, right? So
yes.
our answer.
1
our
minus
answer
0.8665.
Should be 1 minus 0.8665. So what do you get?
0.1335.
0.1335.
1335.
So what do you think?
Not possible.
Is it possible the what was the question just now? Is it possible to start? Very scary, right? Very
Yeah,
scary.
very scary.
Very scary.
Because of low probability.
Yeah. So if the club manager plan to start with 13 week by February, is it possible? Well, possible, but
low probability.
low probability.
Probability is very low.
So do you advise him to start on February? You are the boss?
No.
You start.
No.
You say start
No.
earlier. You should tell them to start much earlier, right? Very, very frightening. If delay this one, then your what was the tournament will be out, right? The tournament will be the swimming program will be out of our place. Okay, great. I think you have a feel of how to play with this project scheduling, both CPM and PERT. This is a typical questions normally in the exam. So we are done. Any more question? I think you have enjoyable day today. I guess.
Yes.
Yes.
So much fun.
So much fun. It is interesting. All right. Any other thing? Can I conclude our day?
Sure, doctor.
Okay, let's conclude our day with the recitation of Surah to us. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you very much, brothers and sisters. See you next class.
No, thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you so much.
Most welcome. Welcome.
Thank you, doctor.
Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you, doctor.
Yeah, most welcome.
Thank you, doctor.
Yeah, you're welcome. Fine.
Thank you, doctor.
Welcome. Okay, I end now. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, doctor.